As a U.S. Army veteran, I signed that blank check, willing to give my life for this country. I wore the uniform with pride. I stood beside men and women who never made it back. That flag, well, it hits different when you served. But as a black man, that flag also reminds me of a different fight, because I grew up in a country where I always fit the description, where inequality wasn't a chapter in the textbook, it was my reality, where I had to learn how to survive systems that weren't built for me. So yeah, it's hard to love a flag that doesn't always love me back. But here's what I've come to understand. My service wasn't about a perfect nation. It was about the possibility of a better one. I fought for the hope that this country could one day live up to the ideals it claims to stand for, liberty and justice for all. So today, I honor the flag, not because everything it represents has always honored me, but because I still believe in what it could be. That's unbreakable valor. Stay resilient.